This smashed chicken taco is supposed to taste just like a McChicken. Well, let's test it. Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie, and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. In this episode of Tara the Foodie, I am going to recreate the viral McChicken Smashed Taco that is taking over TikTok and Instagram. Using seasoned ground chicken smashed onto a tortilla and topped with panko breadcrumbs, this easy smashed taco delivers crispy fried chicken flavor without the deep fryer. Now let's get cooking. Well, they're doing it again. Another McDonald's classic has been turned into a smashed taco. Now, I have never jumped on this bandwagon. Before, they made the Big Mac into a smashed taco. Today, they are making the McChicken, the McDonald's McChicken, into a smashed taco. So, all right, that's actually one of my favorite things on the McDonald's menu. So let's see if it actually tastes like a McDonald's McChicken. All right, so the original reel that I saw on how to make these, and you'll see right here, the seasonings to season up your ground chicken is supposed to be salt, pepper, and garlic powder. When I see a recipe that calls for those items, I like to kind of take a little shortcut and use garlic salt. And of course, I'm using my favorite garlic salt with parsley that I get at Aldi. Trust me, if you know, you know. So then all we have to do is do garlic salt with parsley and pepper, and that's it. Oh, and by the way, this is from my new spice rack that I got for Christmas from the boys. So I have little labels on everything, and it's over there. It's beautiful. Gaze upon it, and we're back. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and season this ground chicken. So I'm gonna take Spatch. He's been on hiatus for quite a while. He is back. And just take your ground chicken and just kind of smash it down so it's an even layer. And that way we can easily season it. And then just give it a good even dusting of this garlic salt. This is bigger granules, that's why I like this one. So you're gonna have to eyeball how much garlic salt you put on your ground chicken. If it's that really fine garlic salt, be extra careful. That comes out fast and it's really salty. And then I'm just going to take some black pepper and put as much as I want on it. Once you're done seasoning, then you just want to kind of stir it up so it is thoroughly combined and evenly seasoned. Smoosh, smoosh, smoosh. Okay, that's basically the prep that you need to do. You have to shred up some lettuce as well. That's it. That's your prep. And so now I'm going to turn on my cast iron pan to a nice high heat so it's nice and hot. I'm gonna put a little oil in it, and then we are going to get to smashing these McDonald's McChicken Smashed Tacos. So the pan's hot, real hot. And I'm going to take some ground chicken mixture. So a nice layer of the chicken, but thinly kind of smooshed out. And then before you put it into the pan, you're gonna kind of mimic it being fried by sprinkling some panko breadcrumbs onto the top of the raw chicken. Now go ahead and put it in your pan. Take a spatula and just start to smash it down so it can start to cook and mimic a fried McChicken. I feel like this is a good way too to know when it's getting done is by using your hand, because you can feel it warming up. And if by the time it gets kind of hot to your hand, that chicken's probably cooked through, if you think about it. Starting to feel pretty warm. When you think you want to check, you kind of want to feel if it's releasing. It's browned, right? It's browned on top. So now we're gonna let that cook on the other side, kind of sizzle up, so it makes it a little bit more of a crunchier taco. It's already browned. Look at that, it browning on the bottom. Let's go ahead and take it out of the pan. You just want to set it on a plate. Now we just have to dress it. So I'm going to add the iconic mayonnaise to the McChicken, but as much as you want. Just kind of put a blob and spread it around. And then just sprinkle on some shredded iceberg lettuce. Now, pickles aren't usually on a McChicken, but I don't give any shits because they should be. So, and then just go ahead and fold it in half into a taco shape. This is apparently supposed to taste like a McChicken sandwich. And I will be the judge of that because I'll tell you what, I have eaten hundreds of McChicken sandwiches in my lifetime, okay? I'm not proud of it, but I have. So here I go. It really tastes like one. Oh my God. Oh yeah, by the way, it's my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. That is good. This is ridiculous. That really tastes like a freaking McChicken, only in a taco, and you can make it so damn easy. This is a college kid recipe. This is a teenage boy in the, this is something that our boys can make. This is awesome. So, hey, I am a fan of at least this smashed taco, and I think that you should try it and comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think it tastes just like a McDonald's McChicken? Because it does. So, yeah. You gonna come over here or you gonna eat it behind the camera? Just kind of think about a McChicken. Does it taste like it?
Yeah.
I know.
There you go.
It's so damn simple.
It's a McTaco chicken.
It's McTaco.
It's a McTaco
chicken
chicken.
taco.
It's a McTaco, yeah.
You know, those of you that partake in the weed, you know, like that I like to call it, the weed.
The weed.
Like Juicy Joe does. You know,
Yeah.
you might really like this.
Absolutely.
There's real low effort.
So, I'm Juicy Joe.
And I'm Tara the Foodie.
And we'll see you next time.